Namaskar everyone. Welcome to Book Series 1, Episode 0 on HTW. So, here we are with our first book series, and this is the introduction video. So, let me just talk about why book series and what is in it for you. वाई बुक सीरीज का आंसर एक मज़ेदार चीज़ बताकर करती हूँ. सो एंड आई एम शेयरिंग दिस टू यू गाइज. आई हैव बीन इन अ phase which was not so good phase for a very long period of time. People call it depression, anxiety, call it whatever. And there was a time when I wasn't able to figure out answers to various questions. I wanted to have them. I wasn't able to figure out what is in me, skills, talents. What is it that I am made for? I had health issues. Was not in proper shape. Wasn't even able to focus. I mean, well, in my studies. And I don't know. I really used to wake up at 10-11 in the morning. I know बहुत ये तो अब रिचुअलिस्टिक बन गए, बट इट शुड नॉट बी. और लाइफ वॉजंट लाइफ. ओके. और जबकि मज़ेदार बात क्या है, द रूट कॉज ऑफ वॉट एवर यू कॉल इट, डिप्रेशन, एंग्जाइटी, इज दैट है सभी को, बताएगा कोई नहीं. Is there anybody on earth who is happy with his life? The way we are living it? माना कि चलो कुछ एक्सेप्शंस हैं और उन लोगों को डील करना आता है लाइफ से, बट इज दिस, आई मीन, आर वी रियली लिविंग द वे वी शुड? एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज दैट वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट इट. ओके. The other person standing in front of you whom you're talking to is also having depression, and even you know it somewhere, right? But you don't talk to him because I don't know because why. So anyway, this was a phase in my life, and that is when I just casually picked up a book from my shelf. पता नहीं किस कंडीशन में थी, बट आई जस्ट रैंडमली डिड दिस. वेंट थ्रू सम पेजेस. सीरियसली, मतलब वेंट थ्रू, मतलब स्टडी किया मैंने, लिटरली बैठ के पढ़ा ये हर एक लाइन. दैट इज व्हेन आई फाउंड आउट कि मैन, देर आर अदर पीपल एज वेल हु आर फेसिंग सच सेम डिटो इश्यूज, अलग फॉर्म में लेकिन सेम इश्यूज. And that is, and to my amazement, I realized कि man, these are even worse than yours. And to more amazement, they have written a book, which means they've become successful, which means they've overcome those problems. तो इसका मतलब अगर मैं उनकी बुक रीड करूँ तो मुझे कहीं ना कहीं आंसर्स मिल सकते हैं. That is when I started reading. ख़त्म करी, सिर्फ पढ़ी नहीं, उसे स्टडी किया, यानी कि उसको अपनी लाइफ में अपने तरीके से डालने की कोशिश की. और ट्रस्ट मी, हाँ, एकदम से नहीं हुआ, बट धीरे 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 by reading while listening to, while reading about many such people who've had these problems and how they've overcome it. Trust me, man, my life changed, like literally changed. Not only did these problems went, oh my life has changed. Getting into discipline and what not. I mean, being able to figure out how to deal with people, how to deal with friends, stuff, life, how to be happy in life, how to find your purpose in life. This is how healing books help. And so, my aim is just to bring this hidden gem out. Of course, I don't aim to put the entire content of the book in my series. I don't know if I'll be doing it in future. Let's see how it goes. But my basic aim is to, bring out some good lines, some good quotes from these books and discuss about them in our own perspective to try to apply it in our life. Okay, and of course social media is accessible now, so bringing the content here will of course reach to you guys, I mean more people. Let's see, I mean how it goes. So yeah, maybe it's gonna be good. Now coming to our first book, of course देख ही ली होगी थंबनेल में, इतने तो समझदार हो ही भाई, मैं भी हूँ कि आप लोग समझदार हो. Okay. It is Think Like a Monk by Jay Shetty. One of my inspiration. Of course बोलोगे कि ठीक है बायस है, बायस हो सकता है भाई, but now let me just give you guys even a brief here कि when I started to improve myself, I started to figure out that there was a particular mindset that people who wrote such books had. Okay, now I just figured out some social media. ठीक है, मैं पहले नहीं थी सोशल मीडिया पे. आई नो ये बहुत ही डिवास्टेटिंग होगा सुनने के लिए. मैं भाई बहुत सीधी बच्ची लगती हूँ, और देखो अभी मैं कंटेंट बना रही हूँ, बताओ. बट ठीक है, मतलब मैं नहीं थी सोशल मीडिया पे, एंड कुछ टाइम पहले ही मैं आई हूँ, एंड दैट इज़ व्हेन आई फिगर्ड आउट कि ओके ना there is some person in orange clothes who's giving a speech, but that just resembles from such books. Okay, that is when I figured out that, man, they're having an even better outlook of life. I mean, they have the similar mindset as those जिन्होंने बुक लिखी है, बट उनसे भी अच्छा बोल रहे हैं ये तो भाई. So that is when I started to follow them, and no doubt I started to have even more clarity. So makes sense as to why I've picked this book for my first book series. I know it is a pretty old book, but doesn't matter. So pretty well